welcome back. Welcome to my channel. And next vlog is with her channel. Click the subscribe button. Click that notification. I hope you enjoyed this video. Twin sister.
She's actually my daughter. If you didn't watch our last video, she just did my makeup and she wants me to do hers now. So that's what we're going to do today.
We're still in Mommy's room and we have a big giant bed behind you.
Wow. You want me to start? You want me to do your eyeshadow?
I want to do eyeshadow. Guys, this is a very, very important video. Sit down below and kick up in the air and smash that like button at the end and get that notification down here. And watch our other videos down here and up there and up here and sideways. It's everywhere you see and you can never stop watching them. So watch this video tomorrow and other tomorrow. So it will be a fun, happy day. And I have my watermelon t-shirt. It's brand new. It's so brand new. You can even like the subscribe button down here. And you can push every of our videos down below. Here, here, and here, and here. Everywhere in this world. So, or you watch this video. It's very important.
Are you ready?
We're the twin sisters, but I'm actually her daughter.
Yes,
Her
ma'am.
name is Kylie, and my name is Penelope. Say your name.
Oh, my name is Kylie.
And my name is Penelope. And I have blonde hair and blue eyes like Mom.
Sure do.
Guys, this is very, very important. Or you see the light subscribe below, you better push it and smash it at the end because it's going to be important video.
Do you want me to do your makeup now? Or you just want to keep talking?
Do me makeup.
Okay. Can you?
Watch us go! Can I talk while I'm...
You can talk while I do your makeup, but can you shut your eyes? You can talk though.
So, Mom,
Yes,
this
Penelope.
video is very important.
Is it?
So, I'm just telling them what you have.
You're telling them how important it is? Okay. Does it tickle? What color do you think I'm putting on? Don't peek. What color? You keep moving. What color do you think?
Can I
Quit moving.
Can I see?
No, not yet.
Pink.
It's pink.
Can I see now?
Yeah, you can see.
So fancy. Why is it going off though?
Well, because that's how I usually do my eyeshadow, but also you keep moving, so I can't really get it, you know? Can I fix it?
I want it like this off.
Okay. Look at me. Wow, girl.
Now can I look?
No. Girl, let me finish. Okay, should we put some sparkle?
Yes, dude.
Yeah, girl.
I want that sparkle to my eye.
Sparkle, 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 sparkle.
Sparkle, 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 sparkle. I don't see any sparkle.
What are you thinking?
Next makeup. Are you doing some blush brush?
Blush, blush.
Is it good? It's like I'm doing my own makeup. Hi guys, it's my video. Hi guys, this is my telephone. Yeah. That's my telephone for this video now.
Who are you talking to?
Sandra.
Can you look at me so I can see your other cheek? Let me see them luscious lips. Let me see. Can you look at me? Oh, wow.
ready. Yeah, I'm just getting ready, I said. Yes, I'm just getting ready. See ya, boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
That's reason. I have a boyfriend. For real. I'm going on a date. Hurry up, girl. 10:45. 10:45.
You have a date at 10:35? Who's your boyfriend?
Hurry.
Who's your boyfriend?
Callie Tanti.
Callie Tanti.
I closed the whole thing. Can't get into it now. Can you please help me? Hairstyle. Fruity lady.
Here you go.
Boyfriend? You said it was 16, 18 now? No. 14, 18, 14, 16. We won't be in time.
Oh no. Tell me what you think of your makeup. Do you like it?
Good, but we need some touches on my forehead, like some sparkles all over.
Girl, let's get you some highlight. I think we went a little overboard with the sparkle.
The boyfriend is my bib.
You have a bib?
No, bib is my husband.
Oh, okay. Can you tell me what you think of your makeup quick?
It's fabulous. Do you want to come with me?
Where are we
Bye.
going?
Bye. Thanks for watching. Get that notification. Bye.
Bye. I guess we're done.
Kick that notification bell now.
Yep.
Can I take this?
Alrighty. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.